Hello my dear friends, I am Rishabh. Welcome to my channel. In this video of C programming, I will teach you how you can make a calculator using switch statement. So first we give it a name calculator.c. Okay, now we include our header files. First we write include stdio.h. Again we include conio.h. Another header file we include standardlibrary.h, stdlib.h. Now we make our main function. Here we write int main. Now we press enter and give here curly braces. Now we go to the end and here we write getch to hold our screen. Again we write here by pressing enter return 0 because we use int main at the main function. So return 0 is necessary to write. Okay. Now here we declare clear screen CLR to clear our previous output. Now we declare variables of character data type. Again we declare double data type. Why we use double? Because the size of double data type is longer than integer data type. So it store 5 digit or 6 digit number too. Okay. Now we here give printf statement and here we write enter first number. Okay, to take our first number, first we copy this printf statement and paste below the printf statement. And here we edit our string and here we write enter second number. Now we take input by writing scanf statement. Here we give percent lf to store double data type variable number in number 1. Okay, now we control insert to copy this scanf and here we paste it below this second enter number. Now we change here num2 to store our second number to num2 variable of double data type. Again we here write printf statement. Here we write please enter an operator to take operator from the user. Here we write in bracket plus minus asterisk for multiplication and slash for division. Okay, now we take input of our operator by giving here scanf. Here we give access specifier %c because we have taken character data type. Okay, now store it in op variable, so ampersand op. Again we go here. Now we write switch statement switch. In bracket we give op so that switch takes op variable as input. Now it checks by making cases in it. Here we make a case. In single quote we write plus to check the op store plus. If op store plus, then this printf statement will run. In this printf we write percent lf plus percent lf to show our num1 and num2 equal to percent lf to show the sum of these two numbers, and where we have taken these numbers from num1 variable the first number, num2 variable to second number, and num1 plus num2 to give the sum. Okay, now here we write break so that when the first statement will run, it will exit our program. Now we copy these 3 lines and paste below here 3 times so that we have write subtraction, multiplication and division statement also. Here we change plus to minus In printf also we change it to plus to minus. Now we here change plus to minus. Now here we change multiplication symbol, here also, in case also. Now here we press enter. For our fourth case, here we give slash symbol, here also slash symbol. For division, here also num1 slash num2. Now we come to end. Here we write default, so that if none of these operators would clicked, then this default statement will run. Here we write wrong operator. Okay, now we save this program by going file, save. Now we check these by control F9. Here we give plus the first number 12, the second number is 12. Here you see 12 plus 12 equals to 24, which is correct. Now we check our subtraction. Here we give minus symbol. Now 12, second number 10. Here you see 12 minus 10 equals to 2, which is perfect. Now we check our asterisk, which is for multiplication. Here we give 12 into 2. Here you see 24, which is awesome. Okay, now we are going right way. Here we give slash for division. Here we give 1000 first number and divide by 10. Here you see 100, which is excellent. So this is the program is all about. Here we make a comment, subscribe to Rishabh Hacks. This is just for letting you remember these subscription. If you subscribe my channel, you are stay connected with me to see my latest videos. So that's all for today. Watch more videos.